Hey guys. Hey, here we are with the family. There's Rachel. Now hold on a minute, baby. Hey guys, so we're going on a little nature walk today. We're going to walk around our neighborhood over at Lake Pinehurst here. We're just going to take a walk around and see what we can see. Maybe we'll see some hummingbirds. Maybe we'll see a deer. There's been a little fawn hanging around the neighborhood. Cutest little thing you've ever seen.
It's not cute.
But anyway, we've been watching it. It was in our yard yesterday. It's in our yard a couple of days ago as well. So we're going to see what we can see. Maybe we'll see some birds. Maybe we'll see a deer. Maybe we'll see some rabbits and squirrels, bats, bugs.
The bird I always wanted to see is a blue jay.
Oh, a blue jay? I'm sure we may see some blue jays.
I love.
And there's been a lot of cardinals hanging around here too. What else do you want to see? Chipmunk. You like chipmunks, don't you, Josh? Huh? You like chipmunks?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Well, we're going to take a walk around here and we're going to try out these little helicopters. I'll show Rachel how to shoot it so she don't hurt herself. Because if you let go, you're going to hurt yourself like that. Don't do that. Don't let go like that. You're doing it wrong. Okay? So let me show you how.
Show me how.
If you do it like this, it's going to hit you right in the hand.
Oh.
Okay, you have to do it. Hold your hand back here.
So that's
how you do it, okay?
Whoa, that's so high, Dad. That's it. Oh, I was about to catch it. I wish I did. That would be so cool.
Yeah. So, once again, hold it like this. The important part is that you stick that out, okay?
Oh, I'll do it one more time.
You want me to do it one more time?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yes, I will. I think I got it. Get it. Oh, get it.
Now be careful that you don't put it in the tree.
Of course I don't want it in the tree.
So, you're right-handed, right? So hold this with your right hand.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. If you're right-handed, you want to aim with your right hand. It doesn't matter, whichever one you're better at, you know. I can pull with my right hand better. Okay.
Wait.
So why don't you do that?
I'll just
Hold with your left. Okay. Aim with your right.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. I gotta catch it.
Better not get Grandma's flowers. Yay! Watch out for Grandma's flowers.
What happened to your slingshot?
It got on the tree and now it's never gonna fall off.
So Rachel, you didn't shoot it straight up in the air. You shot it way over there. And you see it? Mom, do you see it?
Yes, I see it.
Well, it's funny what happened is it went way over there, and as it's coming down, it got stuck in that tree. Well, after it landed in the tree, a hummingbird went over to it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, a hummingbird went over to it to check it out because it's very colorful. And I thought the hummingbird wanted to get it out. But it's a lot bigger than a hummingbird. Anyway, the hummingbird was hanging around it, looking at it, flew away. Then it came back. It went back to it. But then it left again. So it was really cool to see that hummingbird just zoom over there really, really quick. It's like, hey, what is this? I'm going to check it out. But anyway, the hummingbird took a look for the second time, and then it took off like a rocket. They're really, really so quick. So, too bad we missed that, but that was a really cool thing to see.
So what are we gonna do now?
Nothing.
So we're gonna go for a walk, guys, and see what we can see.
Okay.
So look, let's remember, we've seen a hummingbird so far. We didn't get it on camera, but it was so quick. You have to be really quick with that. So we've seen a hummingbird so far. Now we'll see what we can find. Josh, what did you find?
What is that?
It's mushrooms.
Let's take a look. Let's see, you kicked it up. What did we find? Oh,
Let me see it.
it's a mushroom.
Yuck.
Okay, let Mommy take a look. Take it to look at the mushroom.
Oh wow. That's a big
Is
mushroom.
that a mushroom or is that a toadstool? I don't know. Some people call it different
That's
things.
a dog pee.
Don't worry about it. Okay, so anyway, we'll check it out and see what else we can find. Get out of it. Wait, Rachel, you're in the shadow again. Here. Yeah, look from there, okay?
By a fire ant on their hands everywhere.
Yeah.
We found a walnut and it had a heart inside.
I want to ask you some questions, okay?
Yay! I like that.
Okay, so between Illinois and North Carolina, now I know you've been in North Carolina a short time, but between the two places, which one do you like better? Joshua, you answer first. Which one do you like better, Illinois or North Carolina?
Pick one. North Carolina.
Okay.
Illinois.
You like Illinois better.
Yeah.
So, Josh, why do you like North Carolina better? You don't know, but you like it better?
I don't like my bunk bed.
You don't like your bunk bed?
Because nobody's sleeping with me.
I've been sleeping with you the last 2 nights, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay, because you got Joshua sleeping up over you. So why do you like Illinois better? Was it just because of your bed?
No.
Okay. Is there a reason?
No. I can't think of anything.
You can't think of one? So now, let me ask you again, which one do you like better?
Illinois.
Do you know why?
No.
Okay.
I
All right,
can't
guys.
think of anything.
So, for me, I'm going to answer my own question. I like Illinois, and I like North Carolina. Well, I like Illinois because the summers are really cool. And there's a lot of things to do in Illinois, especially the Chicago area. I love taking the metro into Chicago to Union Station. That's a really cool thing to do because I love riding on the train. So I'm going to miss that. I'm going to miss going downtown to Chicago. Hey guys, why don't you all come back here and walk with me?
Can you
Okay.
ask us some more?
Absolutely.
Yay!
All right. So,
Think
you want me to ask you some North Carolina questions?
I don't know. And I don't know how to say it. Any question you can think of.
Okay. Are you excited to go to school?
Not that much. I don't know.
Not that much? Can you tell me why?
I don't know.
You don't know? because it's a new school? Yeah?
And because I don't like math.
You don't like math.
No.
You're very good in math. Oh, you're very good in math. Oh, okay. Well, if you want to go places, okay, in life, you're going to have to work hard for it, okay? So you may not like it, but you have to just try your best, right? Always do your best. Joshua, are you excited to go to school, to kindergarten?
Yeah. It's his first time.
Yeah?
But I don't know if he will like it because of the homework.
Joshua's excited to go to kindergarten. He's getting ready. You can write your name now, right?
Yeah.
And you can write your ABCs. So you're doing good, right, Josh? So I'm excited for you guys to go to school too.
Mom, I want a glitter backpack.
Okay.
That's a unicorn.
In case you didn't know, we moved to North Carolina about 2 months ago. In fact, this week will be 2 months. Okay? So, we've been here for about 2 months. Rachel, what's your favorite part about living in North Carolina?
I think I have 3 things.
Okay, tell us the first of 3 things.
I like McDonald's and the Dunkin' Donuts and the park.
Wow. We haven't been to the mall here.
Yeah, that was way good.
Because before it only took 5 or 10 minutes to get there. Now
It takes an hour.
it's an hour and a half at least. Right? So you have been to the mall, but you are much smaller. Joshua was a baby.
I don't remember going at a mall here.
Yeah, Joshua was just a baby. That was over 5 years ago.
That's a long time. I also like Cornwall Dollar Tree.
You like what?
Dollar Tree.
You like the Dollar Tree stores? Well, they had Dollar Tree stores there, but there's more of them here.
I don't like the Dollar Tree because I have nothing to buy there.
What about Nana's house? Do you like Nana's house?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I like our house better.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's the biggest pine cone ever.
Tell everybody what you have.
Yeah.
A pine cone, a big one.
It is a pine cone. It's from a longleaf pine. Do you know the difference between a longleaf pine
No.
and a shortleaf pine?
Let me touch it. Let me touch it.
Hey guys, I have another question for you.
Oh, yes.
How do you tell the difference between a longleaf pine and a shortleaf pine?
Oh, no.
Oh, that's not too hard. One's long and one's short.
Because I don't know what to mean.
Leaf? Here. It's actually needle. They call it a longleaf pine or a short... Okay, look here. Let me show you. They call it longleaf or shortleaf. It's actually the pine needle. Okay? See how long the pine needle is?
Yes.
It's about 12 inches. 10 or 12 inches. This one is. Okay? Now, a shortleaf pine, they're going to be like this. Shortleaf. It's actually a needle, but we call it a leaf.
This is wiggling.
His tooth is wiggling? Wow. We need to pull it. If it's wiggling, it's pull yours. Gonna pull yours.
He
Pull
didn't
it,
wiggle
Josh.
it off. He didn't wiggle it. His tooth fell off. Now it's bleeding. My hand fell off.
Number
I
one,
can't drink.
favorite dessert.
I can't. I love.
Dessert is like
Cheesecake.
ice cream, pie.
I don't like pie.
Fudge.
You never do fudge. I don't really like it. I don't like it.
What's your favorite dessert? You
Well,
like pudding? You like yogurt? That can count as the candy can't count as dessert.
maybe cake.
Well, what kind of cake?
Vanilla, I think.
Vanilla what?
Vanilla cake. Inside.
Yes, well, the cake part or the icing part?
The inside. I like the
So the
inside.
cake part. What about, what's your favorite icing on the vanilla cake?
Well, I like white icing.
Okay.
And that's the cake I want on my birthday.
Vanilla and vanilla, right? Or
Yes.
white and white, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
I saw it at Walmart. Or maybe I want a unicorn cake. Unicorn with vanilla in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi guys. We're just going for a ride. We are going over to the
Yes, yes.
We're going over to the beach area of Pinehurst Lake. Lots of pine trees, lots of beautiful houses, just stuck in the middle of all these pine trees, woods,
Okay, yeah.
not to mention all the beautiful golf courses. Guys, can you choose your one superhero?
Flash.
Flash.
I just like Flash because he runs fast.
Can I choose?
What's your favorite superhero?
My favorite superhero is also the Flash. Yeah.
What's your favorite superhero?
Wonder Woman. Darna.
Darna, the Filipino Wonder Woman. Right? my other girlfriend. Bye guys.
Bye guys, thanks for watching.